So, hear me out now. Hear me. This is the untraditional way of doing turkey. So, instead of having this big old turkey, what I did this year, I just put it in pieces. Okay? So, that's my breast, turkey thigh. This is a part of the back. That's the neck over there. That's the wing. And that's the thigh. Thigh rather. So this is the untraditional way. This is the air fried turkey. And I made some sauce and I pour it all over. So this is not the usual way of doing turkey. And what do you think? Look at it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. My untraditional way of doing turkey. Yeah. I have another portion in the oven there now. Baking. So part bake and part air fried. Untraditional method. Air fried turkey 2025. You want some? Have some. My God. My.